Have you ever stopped for a moment to listen to the Chidiya voice sound around you? The sweet and natural Chidiya sound effect bring peace to our mind and connect us deeply with nature. In this video, you will hear the real and original Chidiya voice recorded from the natural surroundings where these beautiful little birds live freely. Each Chidiya voice sound has its own unique charm. Some chirp softly in the early morning, while others sing loudly to call their friends. These natural sounds remind us how beautiful and relaxing the world around us can be when we truly listen. In this Chidiya voice video, you will experience the joyful and peaceful feeling that only birds can create. This is not a Chidiya sound effect. It's an original moment captured from nature, a Chidiya original video that brings the melody of the wild right to your screen. So sit back, close your eyes and enjoy the pure and soothing Chidiya voice sound. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you love nature sounds and want to feel closer to the world of birds.